Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, this is Raja Shindi. I'm here to explain the Eid al-Fitr celebration on Saturday, May 15. We have a full program, alhamdulillah. Varieties of activities, gifts, candies. We will be also having we're going to honor and give awards for the Quran competition, and also Sister Samar, we will be honoring and presenting awards for the women's activities. We will have a youth activities with Maryam. I think she has some activities specific for girls K to 12 and college level. Okay, so and more fun activities. We'll have like a full program, jumping balloon and more of that also. So the agenda starts, the program starts. This is optional if you'd like to attend the after Fajr prayer. We will have Dr. Ahmed sponsoring a breakfast, and there will be a horse riding, but that's only from 6 a.m. till 9 a.m. Okay, and Eid al-Fitr celebration program starts at 4:30 p.m. until Maghrib time, inshallah. So we will have the president's remarks. We'll having a new announcements, the plan for the fall school after school program, science fair presentations, award presentations, and many other activities, Quran recitation for the children, MSA, the Muslim Student Association Graduate Awards. Okay, and after Maghrib prayer, we will be having Dr. Basil Aswad. He's sponsoring a dinner on behalf of his late mother, rahimahullah. After that, we will have the Isha prayer and the dua, inshallah. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. My name is Raja, and my number is 575-202-1066, or you can reach out by email, or maybe you can reach out to any board member if you would like to have any questions on this event. Again, the registration will go out soon. And كل عام وأنتم بخير. السلام عليكم.